Hi, my name is Kelsey. I'm a client advisor here at United BMW. Today we're talking about what these are for in BMW convertibles. To get to the wind deflector in a 2021, you'll want to pop your trunk and then pull this tab right here. You can actually see it stowed right there, you just can't get to it from back here. Once you do that, you come up here, you can see that this is now loose, and you pull it forwards. There you go. Then you'll want to pull this up, and you can pull your wind deflector out. Once you have this out from where it's stowed, you'll see it's in this new protective bag, so you'll just want to unzip it to reveal the wind deflector within, and pull it out. It's very difficult. Okay. And if you ever have any trouble, there is a graphic in here showing you 1, how to stow it, 2, how to set it up. Pretty simple. You want to unfold the wind deflector with the piece that folds up against the back of the headrest on the front seats. So then from there, these little knobs, you want to line up with the holes on either side. They'll look like this. So you'll go ahead and place them like that, and then you just click it down, fold it up. So another new detail on the 2021 wind deflector is when you're ready to put it away, fold this part down, but you can't just lift it up, so you want to fold this piece up and then it'll unfold. Then from there, you just put it back in your bag. Here is a view from the front of the car looking back on how you store this. So this bag has a tab that sticks up on it, a big plastic tab. You want to make sure that that lines up with this plastic tab that folds down, because that's how it holds it in place. Because this is nice and wide open instead of just having a narrow pass through like the previous generation. So you just line this up, line it up, pull that down, and then pull this closed. Now you'll have to remember that that is back there if you ever want to use this pass through, because it will be blocked by your wind deflector. And that's everything I know about the wind deflectors in the BMW convertibles. If you have any questions, please let me know.